I still can't wrap my head around people manually chopping up long videos in 2025 when smart tools can do the heavy lifting for you. Imagine recording a 30-minute talk and in just 5 minutes having a stack of ready-to-post clips, complete with captions, thumbnails, and hooks without ever needing to hire an editor. That's what I've been doing, and it has honestly changed how I create content by removing the need for a 12-step editing workflow. In this video, I want to show you an AI tool that automatically finds the best parts of your long videos and turns them into shareable clips. You're going to see a handful of features that save me hours every single time I make content. Spoiler alert, it's not just auto trimming, but workflow automation that actually behaves like someone who understands how social platforms work. Alright, let's start by dragging a long recording into the software. Nothing fancy, just the raw footage. Immediately, it scans the whole file and creates a visual list of potential highlight candidates. If you scrub through this timeline, you'll notice there are typically 20 tiny awkward pauses where I'm reading notes or thinking. In traditional editors, I'd have to hunt these down manually, cut them, maybe overlay B-roll, or stitch another take in. With this AI tool, you don't have to worry about that because it identifies high engagement moments like laughs, sharp punchlines, and dramatic pauses. It extracts clips that are already optimized for social media feeds without you needing to do the heavy lifting. One of the things I love is that instead of me laboring over what to keep, the AI ranks clips by how likely they are to perform on different platforms. I can get perfect segments for TikTok, Reels, or Shorts without ever having to guess what will work. It's really like having an editor who also understands current social media trends. Let me show you a quick example with a 10-minute recording I used for this very video. Normally, cutting out dead air and filler words took me at least 30 minutes of tedious work. With this tool, I just hit auto clip, set the intensity to aggressive because I want tight cuts, and it returns a set of viral ready clips in minutes. Where I used to spend half an hour trimming silence, the software compresses that workflow into something that takes mere moments. Now, some of you probably use other tools like Descript for transcript-based edits or Premiere for total control. But what this tool does differently is combine smart highlight detection with social optimization and publishing automation. In plain terms, it finds the viral bits, polishes them, and helps you post them on a consistent schedule. Another feature worth calling out is how it handles pacing by automatically skipping awkward micropauses. You get crisp, confident-sounding clips without losing the natural flow of your original take. It's not magical voice surgery, but it makes the final clips read like you are always on point. The real game changer for me is the auto schedule feature. Once the batch is generated, you don't have to download each file, open another app, upload, and manually choose post times. You set how often you want content posted, link your socials, and the tool cues the clips to publish automatically. Instead of being chained to my posting calendar, I can focus on content creation, strategy, or actually living a life outside my laptop. There's also an integrated content calendar that lets you preview each clip, tweak captions, and drag and drop items to new dates. Because the clips are already trimmed and captioned, this entire step takes only seconds. Speaking of captions, the tool automatically generates subtitles so you're covered for platforms that require captions or for viewers watching on mute. The captions are surprisingly accurate, and you can quickly edit them in-app if there are specific terms that need adjusting. Now, you might worry that this sounds too automated and that you'll lose your unique voice or style. The way I use it is to run an aggressive pass to get candidate clips, then I handpick the ones that represent my voice best. The point is that this gets me 80 to 90% of the way there in minutes instead of hours. One more workflow thing, the tool can batch generate captions, thumbnails, and even short hooks tailored to the platform. You don't have to be a professional copywriter to get a decent, engaging caption out of it. Let me be clear that if you're doing cinematic, multicam timeline work, professional software still has its place. But for creators who produce long-form content and want consistent bite-sized social clips, this is purpose-built for that pipeline. The whole process from raw video to scheduled social posts took me under 10 minutes in my demo. Why does this matter, you might ask? For creators, consistency equals traction, and if you spend every week manually cutting clips, you'll inevitably burn out. This tool removes that friction, allowing you to record one long session and watch a month of content roll out. I still open a traditional editor for special projects, but for day-to-day repurposing, this is my go-to solution. If you record long videos and want to be more consistent without becoming a full-time editor, give this a spin. You'll probably be surprised by how many postable moments you missed when you were editing manually. Automatic editing isn't about replacing creators, but removing the boring parts so we can create more. Thanks for watching, and if you like this breakdown, subscribe and I'll keep sharing tools that make content creation less painful.